Guys, today we're gonna be playing Build-A-Boat. This is my secret room, me and my best friends. Type what I should call him in the comments. What should I call him in the vids? I can't call him by his real name. So what should I call him? Guys, tell me what I should. Hold on. Let me make like a whole boat area. I'm gonna launch this. Launch. Oh no! That what happens to the boat. Okay. There's a tall machine. Yeah. Like, why? I'm joining my private server, guys. BRB. I'm joking. Nah, I'm not BRB. Join friends? No. My private server. Can you please subscribe? I won't force you, but you can subscribe if you want to. I'm trying my best. Okay, now this. I need to place a trophy that says number. Oh, I got TNT barrels. Wait, did my friend give me? How do you get? First of all, how do you get TNT barrels? Maybe it's a quest. Let me see. Nice. I just give you ice. How did I get TNT barrels? Can you comment it in the chat if you played this game and how you got them? I don't have no clue how I got that. TNT barrels. Okay. Okay. Guys, let's see how much Robux I have. 10. I'm kind of broke right now, guys. Can you please subscribe? I'm kind of poor. I don't got a lot of Robux. I got a lot of coins. What is this? Imagine what that one you have to attracts nearby. No, I don't like that. I don't really use those things on my main account. I have one. I mean on my alt timing. My alt. Sorry guys, sorry. Might have confused you. Sorry. No. I don't know what I should buy. Maybe the material I always buy. I'm buying it. Guys, I'm buying it. I bought it. Okay, no. I will not be using the TNT barrels. Did my best friend do this? I'm pretty sure. Wait, did I do it? Oh, yeah, I did some of this. I tried to block him inside. He made like a little cage thing because he did this. And then he stuck it to him. Then he jumped off. And yeah. Look, guys. He did this. Oh no. I'm dead. Nah. How do I need to place a portal somehow. How do I need a portal. Let me find this fast. No, a jetpack. Yes. Okay, red, my color. I don't know. No, is this it? No. At least I have the jetpack. Oh. They're like tiny. Guys, please subscribe so I can get some Roblox. Please like and subscribe. Please, guys. I only have 3 subscribers, I'm pretty sure. I'm not that good of a YouTuber. I only have 11 views on my first vid. I think a ton of you loved it, but I'm not a good YouTuber, guys. I'm just not. I need to do my glitch, my vehicle. Where's my vehicle? Fly? Yes. Look, I'm dying. I believe I can die. I believe I can touch the die. Every night and day, I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch. This is, if you play Build-A-Boat, this is perfect. If, guys, here, I'll do any, yeah, there's none. I cleared all of it. The quest. The thin ice. That might be the hardest. The thin ice, I'm pretty sure, is the hardest. Thin ice, guys. Thin ice is very easy. Guys, thin ice. Thin ice is very easy. My friend caught me this glitch. Okay, look. First, place one of these guys. Now, guys, we need to place a glue block. Oh, wrong area. You have to do it like this. Place on your belly button. Where is it? What block is it? You place a block, with the block that you place on your belly button. I'm pretty sure I'm near it. No, that's not it. I'm pretty sure it's like down here. Yes. Here. This, place it on your belly button. But I have to place it on my head because, okay, I'm pretty sure you unanchor all of it. Unanchor. Yes, guys. This is only part of it. Oh. I'm Harry Potter. Guys, we will make it to the end like this. It's easy. I need to just climb. You have to just climb. That's how you go higher. Let's go. Hallelujah. 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 I'm like Jesus. I'm just floating on the water. Just doing this glitch, guys. If I do this in a public lobby, they might think I'm hacking. It's an easy glitch. If you climb it. No, I'm pretty sure. What happens if you wait till that timer stops on the clocks? I don't know what it will do. Guys, you know what it will do. It might do nothing, but it does something, I'm pretty sure. No! Then you just die. Guys, but you can walk on water like that. You can't jump though. Okay. Want me to show you the football? The football quest. Guys, this is how you do it. First of all, get glue block. Guys, you always need like glue blocks. They're very good. You do this. Like that. You have like your own arms. Okay, guys, you do this. Like this. Now you delete this. Then select all. Anchor. Unanchor. Then you got this. No! I clicked it. Let me redo that. Delete all of this. After. Nah, bro. This is hard. Bro, what the? I'm pretty sure that's why I don't like it ink. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I need to unanchor. That's what I do. You have to anchor, I mean. I have all the tools, but I can't really use this. See, it doesn't let me. I'm tapping on it. I really want a PC, guys. I'm not very famous of a YouTuber yet. But please, guys, can you make me? No, this is impossible. Do I do this so I can... What the? I think I have to redo this. This is it. This is gonna be hard. Build like this. Now, guys, delete this. Select all. Anchor. Unanchor. Then you got this. This is how you do the football thing. You move it a tiny bit like this. You move it with your arms. And you have giant arms. This glitch allows you to get giant arms and stuff. I wish I had shift lock. I have a keyboard and mouse, but OMG. Oh, nah, how I do that? Okay, that's boring. Woohoo! I don't know how I did that. I just found out another glitch. You do this, and then you jump, keep jumping like this, and you want to get flipped over. Oh, okay, that was cool. Please subscribe. Please. There's this one person have contests with. He has like 50-something subscribers. I kind of want to compete with him. I'm pretty sure he has 56 subscribers. Oh, nah. I almost made it. No. Yes. Oh, yes. No. I do this, then I do... Bro. Guys, please subscribe to help me out on this. OMG. That's cool. Was that just gonna be forever? What? I have to redo this, I'm pretty... OMG. Yo, I just found a glitch. Yo, I'm telling my best friend. Yo, now, what the? What? Guys, please subscribe to help me get out of this. Need help. Kind of stuck. Like, it's stuck. Delete. Yes. Guys, I'm trying my best on my vids. I may not be successful, but I know some of y'all will like it. Like if you're a Ronaldo fan. Guys. No way, I got another football. Where is it? I'm pretty sure it's up. Yeah, I found. Doesn't give me another one. No, I can't get another one, but there's this glitch I know with the football. It's called the infinite kick glitch. I need to delete all this. Let me delete it. Yes, no. Guys, this is it. So you can kick infinitely. You have to kind of move in the perfect angle and stuff. No. Please don't go in the corner. Please don't leave Ball, please. Please don't leave. I'm trying to get on you. Stop. Now, no. No, I'm gonna delete. I have to delete. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, rotate. 1, 0, 0. How do I? This is not rotate. 45, 50. What does this do? 5? No, this ain't work. 90. No, move. Yeah. How do I? I'm just gonna change it to normal. Yeah. Match rotation. I don't know what this is. Guys, we're gonna